What's going on? Today's episode I'll be sharing with you guys a Bulgarian split squat tutorial. So this lift is extremely underrated and it's one of the unilateral lifts where you go the heaviest on, you got the most weight potential. So let's get into it. So first things first, let's talk about the foot position. A lot of people, or should I say some beginners, they tend to put their toes on the bench. This is incorrect. What you want to do in most cases is put the top of your foot on the bench, because it's a lot more comfortable. You're gonna be able to lift more weight and just feels less awkward on the toes. So as you can see, my rear leg, the top of the foot is on the bench instead. Now another factor when it comes to Bulgarian split squat is the torso angle. So you could actually change the torso angle to target certain parts of the lower body. So if you really want purely quads, stay very upright as if you're doing a front squat. If you want to engage a bit more hamstring, posterior chain in there, you could lean forward a slight bit. It's kind of like doing a low bar squat, if you will. Now, I also have to mention that the height of the bench is important as well. It's going to depend on the height of yourself, limb length, anthropometry and stuff of that nature. So make sure you find a good bench. But in most cases, the commercial gym bench should be sufficient. Now let's talk about how far the front foot should be from the bench. So some people actually make the mistake of setting up way too close, and what ends up happening is that they shift way too much weight to the front of their toes and their heel rises from the floor. What you want to do instead is try to find the sweet spot. You don't want to be too far from it either, but in most cases being a little bit further and close is a bit better. So now I'll show you guys a full demonstration with weights, and by the way, you can do this with a bar on your back, front of your body, zercher, dumbbell, kettlebell, whatever the case is. I don't like to rush the setup, so as you can see, I'm taking a few seconds just to get comfortable, brace up, and then I get my depth in. So I like to make my knees skin the floor, get that good range of motion. I don't like to crash down. Very controlled tempo, high reps, flawless execution. So you don't want to ego lift on these. I have done that in the past, and trust me, it's not worth it. Just nobody cares how much you Bulgarian split squat. Just get the depth in, skin the floor, and that's about it. As far as the program is concerned, I don't like to go below 10 reps in this. So I like 5 sets of 10. I like 5 sets of 15, even 5 sets of 25, or 5 sets of 20, should I say, to get that 100 rep total. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.